After being away for a while, I was surprised to find what the bees had built. The follower board had fallen away, giving them an opportunity to come up and build above the top bars and down the side of the follower board. I will remove this honeycomb so I can have access to the hive. These honeycombs are much too heavy to be reattached to the bars for the bees, so they will have to be harvested. Moving the knife very carefully and slowly, the bees do get out of the way. We can now remove the follower board and open the hive.
That's it, okay. Here she comes. Okay.
This hive is absolutely overflowing with bees. I'll remove some honeycomb and give them some space to move back inside. Just look at all these bees covering the honeycomb.
Just stunning. Perfect dimensions. Beautiful.
These are the empty bars we replace back into the hive. I clean each bar so that there's good seal between them. Here's our first empty bar going back into the hive. This next bar is a full bar and we push it up firmly against the empty bar. Once it's in place, we can then add the next empty bar.
Another empty bar.
Another full bar against that one, nice and firm. This helps the bees keep the humidity and temperature at the correct levels inside the hive. This is the full bar of honeycomb we just put in. And I'll add an empty bar on the outside of that and close the hive.
Here we go.
We've pushed those bars firmly together and we'll leave the bees now overnight. Coming back the next morning, we can see that the bees have cleaned up all the spilt honey and excess honeycomb that had fallen to the floor. We've expanded this hive by giving the bees 9 empty bars inside the hive to build new honeycomb on. A majority of the bees have already moved back in.